Welcome back guys, welcome to Command Palette. Today I'm gonna show you how you can install WordPress on WAMP server. You can use it locally, so without any welcome back guys, welcome to Command Palette. Today I'm gonna show you how you can quickly fix this problem that occurs sometimes in Windows 10, that you can't find a desktop icon, or you can go to desktop. It's something different situation sometimes occur. So I'm gonna show you how you can easily fix this. This in the 4 clicks you will fix this problem. All you need to do, go to bottom right of your screen and click on this notification tab. Just click on it and click on tablet mode and disable it. Just click here and you will fix this problem. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and click on bell icon. Thank you so much.